Now we're going to be styling the components that we're conditionally showing in our blog area. And for the moment, those will be no content as well as create pin. So let's head to the pin folder and navigate to no content, where we'll uncomment the two components up at the top. And for this explore component, I'm going to rename this to explore icon, just to be clear about what this is. And then from no content, we're going to return a div with a class name of classes.root. Then we'll add the explore icon with a class name classes.icon. Then the typography component with some text telling the user that they need to click on the map to add a pin. And this component will have the props no wrap, component set to h1, or maybe h2 would be more appropriate since I believe we already have an h1 in the header, variant h6, align set to center, color, text primary, and gutter bottom. And now let's take a look at this in the browser. You might need to refresh. So that looks good. Now heading to the create pin component, we'll uncomment all of its components. And we'll begin by, from create pin, returning a form with the class name classes.form. Then we'll have a title with the typography component with the text pin location or pin allocation, whichever you prefer. And on typography, class name will be classes.alignCenter. The component will be h2, variant h4, color secondary. So this will be our green color as defined in our theme. Then to the left-hand side of pin location, we'll have a landscape icon with the class name classes.iconLarge. Then underneath typography, a div containing a text field, which will just be one tag, and it'll have the name, title, label, title, and the placeholder text, insert blog title, or insert pin title, I should say. Then after text field, still within this div, we'll add an input. And this will be our image input. So this will accept any image, and we can define that with image /*. This means to accept any image type. The ID of this input will be image, and the type will be file. Then the class name will be classes.input. Then after the input will be a label. We'll include on the label an HTML4 for the image. So what's contained within the label will be displayed instead of a standard input. This is going to be hidden. And for the label, we'll provide a button for users to click on to add their image. So we'll have a button component, and the component itself will be a span. The size will be small, and the class name will be classes.button. And then within the button tags, we'll have an icon, and this will be the add a photo icon. Then after the closing div tag, we'll have a div with the class name classes.content field, and it'll have another text field component within it For this one, the name will be content, the label will be content, it'll be multi-line, the number of rows will be 6, margin will be set to normal, it will be full width, and the variant of this text field will be outlined. And then after this closing div tag, we'll add another div, and this is going to contain a couple of buttons. One button will be to discard the draft pin that's been added to the map, and the other one will be to add this new pin with its location and all of the text content provided, all the text and image content provided. So first we'll have our discard button, and this button will have a class name of classes.button. The variant will be contained, the color will be primary, and the text for it will be discard. And then we'll have an icon to the left hand side, clear icon with the class name classes.leftIcon. Then for the second button, this button will have the type submit. Its class name will still be classes.button. The variant will be contained. The color will be secondary, however. The text will be to the left-hand side of the icon, and the text will be submit, and the icon itself will be the save icon with the class name classes.writeIcon. So let's check out how this looks. We'll save create pin, and we'll select a location on the map, and we should see the title with its logo, the title input, the image input which we can click on and add an image file, the content text field, as well as our two buttons, discard and submit.